Have you ever tried to take your fairing panel off on your KPR 200 and have difficulty getting it off? Well, today I'm going to show you how to take it off without any problems whatsoever. There's a couple little tricks to it, so I'm going to show you that now. First thing you need to do is you need to take this side panel off. A couple Phillips head screws. I'm going to show you why here momentarily why you need to take this panel here off. Then you got an 8mm. Okay, down here at the very bottom, there's 2 screws you have to remove. And then right above it there's another one. And then there's one up above that. And then there's one up here. Okay, so we've removed 2 on the bottom. This is the 3rd one, 4th one, 5th one. And then there's one up here underneath the headlight. There's one right up here underneath the headlight you have to get out. Now this plastic piece up here on top has to come out, and there's 3 screws that hold it in. There's one. There's 2. And there's 3. Now this panel has a little lip right about in here that tucks underneath, so you got to kind of pull it out a little bit like that and then back towards the tank a little, like so. And then down in the hole there's a couple of wires for your turn signal right there that you have to disconnect. An orange and a green, you'll see them. And then there's a screw down here by your shifter you have to take out. And it's got like a collared washer on it. You might want to take it out so you don't lose it. Okay, now all the screws are out. The next thing you need to do is this tab right here. You have to lift it up and off of that post, like so. Make it free. Now that you have this post off of it, there's a push pin right about in here. You have to pop it out, like that. And then there's a tab that's on the tank up behind this, with a hook that's on this fairing piece. So you have to go back towards the rear wheel with it in order to get this off. That's why you had to remove that panel behind it, so it can be pushed that way. So just wiggle it backwards like that and it'll come right off. Now see, here's the hook right here that it hooks into. There's the tab. If that rubber piece comes off of that and gets stuck in here, take it back off and put it back on this tab, because it makes it easier to reinstall that way. Okay, that's it. So hope that helps. Thanks for watching.